Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Higgsfield Speak AI, the new tool that helps you create AI videos using just your voice or a script. It is super useful for content creators, for coaches, marketers, basically anyone who wants to make short videos without showing their face. So first of all, in order to get started with it, you can just click on the link that is given in the description. It is going to give you the best discount and credits. So once you are here on the official website of Higgsfield AI, you need to basically sign up with the help of your email address. Over here inside your account, the dashboard should look something like this. Here you need to simply click on the option of create. Over here select the option of speak. Now you will enter in the main editor section where all the magic happens. First of all, you can either upload any image over here, or you can also click on the option of select avatar, and then you can select any of the avatars over here. For example, I want to select this particular avatar, so I have selected it here. After that, you can just simply click on the option of audio, and it is going to give you this section where you can basically type your script, or you can upload it with the help of this upload button. So if it is in the mp3 form, mav form, you can just simply upload it over here. You can also click here in order to generate it, but now in the prompt section simply type the prompt of your choice, then click on the option of generate. So once you click on the option of generate, you can also just scroll down a bit and select the model. Now by default they have selected their Higgsfield Speak model, so I would recommend you do not change it. Now we have the quality, so by default the basic quality will be selected, but you can also select the high quality. But remember, the better the quality, the more credit it is going to use. So if you have ample amount of credits, you can go ahead and select the high quality. Afterwards, you can click on the option of generate, and now it is showing you that you need to provide audio as well. So here, after providing the audio, you can basically click on the option of generate, and it is going to give you the video or the sample over here, basically your content or your character that will speak whatever you have written over here. So you can download it, and you can also share it with anyone else. You can also post it on Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, anywhere you want. Now if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.